Mabuhay! Magandang araw! Good morning! Let me ask you a few questions. Are you looking for a language tutor who can teach you practical Tagalog or English? Do you want to be able to speak like a native with your loved ones, friends, relatives, in a way that they will understand you? Do you want to have a lessons that are fun and interesting? If your answer is yes to all these questions, then you have to let me teach you. Hi, my name is Luna, born and raised in the Philippines. Teaching is my passion, and so does helping people learn my beautiful language, Tagalog. I love teaching children ages 5 years old to adults. By the way, during our first meeting, we will have a free talk so that I will get to know you. But that way, I can make your future lessons more interesting. If you're taking English lessons, you will have to take a placement test to determine your grammar and speaking skills. This will help us know where to start. Don't worry, I will guide you on this process, and we will be using a very interactive and attractive system to keep it engaging. If you're taking Tagalog lessons, the placement test is optional because Tagalog lessons are progressive, meaning you will have to start from the beginner level unless you already know how to say basic sentences and how to use pronouns. The lessons are going to be a mix of grammar, conversation, expressions, greetings, and unique ways to form verbs. And the best of all, you will learn about the Filipino culture. Promise you, it will be so much fun. So go ahead and book your first lesson. I'll see you in class. Paalam! Bye-bye!